What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have another one on Zilliqa ZIO, which is slowly starting to pump back up in value, 3% up in the last 24 hours, making it just about 13 cents. So obviously we've all seen what's happened. It literally went up and then back down again in a couple of days. So right now it is trading at 13 cents. So we're going to be looking at what is its next target. Is it going to drop down to below 10 cents, or is it going to pump back up in value? A lot of people have been asking me a lot of different questions around this crypto, a lot of buyers as well as a lot of sellers. So I'm going to try and cover both points of views. And as you can see, the highest it has been to was about 23 cents earlier this week, or last week even, sorry. It has taken a major dip ever since then. So I'm going to be going through my predictions over the next couple of hours, days and weeks for the short-term traders, and also over the next couple of months and overall in 2022. Is Zilliqa a good investment? Should you get into it, or would you just rather put your money into another crypto that can give you a better return? But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 50,000 subscribers as soon as possible. And once I do hit that target, there will be a cryptocurrency giveaway which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry following me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. And again guys, for this giveaway there's going to be at least 3 lucky winners winning cryptocurrencies, so make sure you stay tuned on my Instagram for more details regarding the giveaway. So in the last hour itself, again just about 2%, over the last day just about again 2%, and over the week it's dropped a massive 12%, and however over the month we can see it is up a massive 244%, but we can see that it is slowly starting to come back down in value, and so is this number. So going into the coin market cap website, we can see the trading volume has gone up by a massive 50% in the last 24 hours, making it just about $2.4 billion. So that is how much money has been traded on Zilliqa over the last 24 hours. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale. However, we're going to hide it for now and then bring down the MACD indicator to do some price prediction. So at the bottom here we've got the MACD indicator, and at the top we've got the candlestick pattern chart, and we've also got the SMA indicator, which is the purple line running across the chart, which is still valuing Zilliqa at 10 cents. However, it's trading just about 13 cents, sorry, meaning it's still performing well, better than expected, but we can see that it is slowly starting to meet the average value. So let me zoom into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders and then move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart. But before I do that, guys, just a little disclaimer: this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make I will not be responsible for. So zooming in here, we can see that the blue line is looking bullish, going in a positive direction, meaning slight increases in value are expected, and we've got the orange line just about going in a straight line. It's not looking bullish or bearish, it's literally flat out going in a straight line. So over the next couple of hours do expect minimal increases in value. It's not like it's going to go for a huge bull run or a huge price pump or anything like that, but it is likely to head towards, let's say, about the 14 cents or just above the 14 cents target towards the end of the day today and also early hours of tomorrow. But obviously we are going to see dips in between. We're going to see red candles, green candles, but what matters is the overall outcome, which in this case seems to be more on the positive side. Now moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, what can we expect? We're still looking a little bit bullish. Again, it's not looking too steep, so the blue line and the orange line are once again going in a bullish direction, so we can expect very minimal increases in value over the coming days. So towards the end of this week, early next week, we can expect it to potentially head towards a 15 to 16 cents mark. Again, it's going to be very minimal changes, guys. Every single day I'm not saying it's going to be hitting green candles every single day for the next 7-8 days, of course not. We are going to see days when it's down, days when it's up, but the overall outcome towards the start of next week seems to slightly be more on the positive side. But again, any changes to that, any updates that come across that can have a major impact on the value of Zilliqa, either in a positive or negative way, I'm going to keep you guys updated as much as I can on my Instagram page and on my YouTube channel as well. So make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. Now moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we expect? Again, we've got a mixed signal here. We've got the orange line just about going in a straight line, but we can, if we look very closely, we can see it's slightly slanting towards the positive direction, meaning it's looking a little bit bullish. And obviously we've got the blue line looking bearish, going in a negative direction. So more or less is going to fluctuate at the current price range over the next couple of weeks. So in this case, I'm talking about mid-May to late May, we should expect it to fluctuate around the 12 to 14 cents mark, just hovering around that price target. But again, we may see it going to 16-18 cents or even down to about 9-10 cents, but the overall outcome seems to be neutral over the next couple of weeks. But again, you guys have requested me to do regular updates on Zilliqa, which is exactly what I'm doing on this channel. So make sure you stay subscribed to the channel to keep in touch on what I'm doing, and to keep in the loop on the updates on Zilliqa if you guys are interested and are still holding on to it, or if you're looking to sell or buy it as well. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator. And if you guys are part of my Telegram group chat, you would have known that I did tell you guys that I was buying Zilliqa back in December when it was worth about 5 to 6 cents, and then it went all the way up to about 22 cents. So that is a major profit you could have made if it was in my Telegram group chat. But again, it is still available if you guys want to join that group chat where I'm saying what cryptos I'm buying, what cryptos I'm selling. All you need to do is click on the link in the description box down below to join the group chat. Again, it's currently on offer for $14.99 using discount code DEC10 for 50% off. However, it is limited to the first 100 people. After that, I'm going to lock it off and no one will be able to join. And again, guys, just to make it clear, I'm not a short-term trader, so I don't buy and sell on a daily basis. I am a long-term investor, just to get out there. And again, any questions, any queries you guys may have, just send me a DM on Instagram and I'll try and get back to you as soon as possible. So now onto the Fibonacci scale to do some technical analysis. So if you watched my previous video, I did tell you guys once it hits about this target level here, which is, let's zoom out a little bit, 13 cents target, which is this line here, it is going to struggle and it's going to resist, and that is exactly what's taking place, and it is slowly starting to pump back up in value. So hopefully, guys, over the coming days we should be able to hit the 16 cents target, and once it does hit the 16 cents target, what I'm expecting for it to do is resist at this point and potentially go back down to about the 14 to 15 cents target, fluctuate around this, and then potentially break out and head towards the 19 to 20 cents target. However, if it doesn't do that, the only thing it can do is resist at this point, break back down to about 13 cents, and then resist at this point and break back down to about the 10 cents target. But that is very unlikely to take place. But if it does, I will keep you guys updated on what to expect next and what the next target for Zilliqa can be. But yeah, guys, these are my predictions and my takes on this crypto. A lot of people have been asking a lot of different questions. Keep them coming and I'll keep answering them in my next Zilliqa update. And also, comment down below what your predictions are for 2022 on this crypto. What is the highest figure it can hit? Let me know in the comment section down below, as I'm very intrigued to find out how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And yeah, I'm not going to keep you guys here for any longer. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should be later on tomorrow. And before you click off, make sure to like, subscribe, share, comment, and all of that stuff. And I would just want to say a huge thank you and a huge shout out to every single one of you who have been subscribing to the channel. The support has been absolutely insane over the last few days, so last few weeks actually. And yeah, thank you so much for all the support, and I appreciate each and every single one of the subscribers out there. And yeah, on that note, I'm going to end the video here and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Until then, take care and peace.